How to install Loklok on laptop. Loklok is a popular streaming app for dramas, anime, and TV shows, but how do you install it on your laptop? Today I'll show you how you can easily do that. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over to loklok.com. And then once you're on the website, you'd be redirected into this section. So in here, you need to go ahead and select Windows app to be able to download this to your laptop. So as you can see, you can go ahead and download the Loklok app on the Windows Microsoft Store. You can also download it from here by clicking on this download Windows app, and you'd be able to find the executable file being downloaded at the download section. So once this executable file has been downloaded, go ahead and double tap on it to be able to start the installation process. And once the app is installed, you can go ahead and search for the Loklok application on your app list and open it up. And that is how you can basically install Loklok on laptop.